Hi, my name is Cortland. I'm a service advisor here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Puyallup, and today I wanted to talk to you about a little bonus we offer when you're purchasing a new vehicle from the Harnish Auto family. That little bonus is lifetime oil changes. With every new vehicle purchase, the Harnish Auto family is offering lifetime oil changes as long as you follow just a couple simple requirements. Those simple requirements are: 1, keeping up with your factory required maintenance, the 25, 50, 75, and 100,000 mile service, and receiving a minimum of 1 oil change per year. But you must travel 7,500 miles or have an oil life percentage reading 20% or less. Thank you for stopping by and learning about the lifetime oil changes we offer on any newly purchased vehicle here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Puyallup. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, email, or just stop on by. And don't forget to like and subscribe.